YouTube family. Hi, welcome to another episode with Kimberly. I am basically playing the waiting game right now. I feel like the Dr. Seuss book, of The Places You Go. It's just like the waiting room, except I'm actively waiting, doing lots of things in between. I have ordered the Bob Beck Protocol SOTA, SOTA machines, and there's 3 things that come with that, and so I'm waiting for those to come. And then also have ordered the DNSR, I believe, DVDs, and those are to help train the limbic system. So thank you to Jessica from Passionate Healers for introducing me to the Bob Beck Protocol and the machines. I'm very excited to get those going. And thank you to Linda, who is somebody I met at my California Lyme Center, and she has been telling me about the, I think it's DNSR. Otherwise, it's the letters slightly reversed, and I cannot remember what they stand for at the moment. Help you train your limbic system. So I'm excited to try both of those, and I really have high hopes for them working. It's tapping into some areas that I have not tried at all yet, and I have tried many things, and I'm feeling better, but probably running at, I would say, 33%, so about a third of what my body could possibly give. And it's not enough. It's just enough to get what you need to be doing every day done. That's it. It's not, you don't have much more to give except for just taking care of yourself, and that's not enough to be living a whole life. And so if these systems can help me, then it is totally worth it. And they are pricey. They are something that you have to kind of balance in between. How much is it costing to get all these other treatments done? How much is it costing if you just have one emergency room visit, if you have one more procedure for exploratory means, or for specifically treating something, you know, kind of balancing out in between all of that kind of stuff. And even just one Lyme doctor appointment is, you know, it can be hundreds of dollars. Yeah, balancing it in between all of those and going, okay, yes, it's probably worth the try. Because people are saying with the DVDs, which you do like an hour of exercising every day, and then you kind of train your brain. I'm not sure what the exercises are because they don't tell you that kind of stuff. It's copyrighted otherwise, so you have to buy the DVDs in order to get the information. I get all that, you know, you gotta make money off of it, right? So I don't know what it all exactly involves. I just have been doing a lot of research on people with Lyme disease that have done it, on people with POTS. A lot of people with Lyme disease have POTS. That's a heart and blood pressure condition, things. And then this person that I met at the Lyme Center, Linda, and she has done it, and she's seeing great benefits from it. It really helps with chemical sensitivities, and basically your fight and flight mode is constantly on, and you're constantly having adrenaline going in your body. You're constantly producing adrenaline, and that is making your body always fight or flight. Perfect. As he goes towards the animal. So yeah, I'm really having high hopes for this because this is something that I have not tapped into. There have been people with Lyme disease who have been unable to walk, unable to feed themselves, and they have seen good results with this. So we will see, and I will definitely keep you guys in the loop about what is going on with my progress with that and what it all involves and everything. With the SOTA machines, there's a magnetic pulse and an electric pulsar, and one you wear on your wrist, and it cleans your blood and constantly sending a pulse, and you can wear it up to 8 hours, and they suggest 2 hours. You kind of slowly build up to it. And then the other one is one that you can put anywhere on your body, and it sends like a football shaped like sonar through whatever is people use it for headaches, people use it for their lymph system, people use it for killing parasites, for injuries. Somebody had gangrene and they used it and it cleared up the gangrene. So you can use it for a whole bunch of stuff. It's supposed to work specifically on bacterial infections and viral infections really well. And so I'm hoping that it helps with yeast, because that's like a really big thing with me that I'm having going on right now. I'm really, really struggling with that, and that is causing a lot of issues again at the moment. So yeah, hoping that helps with that as well. And I've been feeling stronger. I've been bike riding every day, except for today was the first day I didn't go. But I have been bike riding every single day up until, or for like the last 3 weeks, I'd say, 2-3 weeks. And so that's huge for me. That's big. And even went like 4 miles, and so that's really good for me. And then I was kind of having some stomach problems lately and some pains, pretty severe. I've been adding in new foods, and I think that it's kind of messing with my GI system, and I've been eating a lot of sugary foods. I've been introducing fruits back into my system again, and I need it so that I can get stronger. But as I'm getting stronger, it's causing the candida to grow. So it's kind of just like a catch-22. Like, what do I do? It is too hot out here. I have to go inside. I dipped myself in the pool right before I came out so that it would be cool enough. And it is just too hot now. I have been able to tolerate more heat, which is amazing. That's like the first time that I've been able to do that, to tolerate more heat. In probably like at least 2 years, it's been really an issue for me. And so this is great that I've been able to go out and just sit outside. It's like almost 90 degrees outside, and I was able to go out there and sit out there for however long I've been talking to you, 8 minutes. So yeah, that's been really nice. That's like a huge change. Before, I would walk out the door and it would be like instantly I would feel fatigued, and I would feel like I was gonna pass out, and my heart would start beating hard, and that's POTS right there. So trying to think if there's anything else to let you guys know about. Oh, I've been taking ketotifen, which is a antihistamine, and that has been allowing me to add more foods into my system. It also helps with mast cell activation. So your mast cells are mostly in your white blood cells, I believe, and those can become activated and cause a lot of the problems that I'm having with the sensitivities. And I mean, it deals with a ton of different things in your body, but it's been giving me more energy, and I really think it's been helping with my strength and allowing me to do like the bike rides and everything, because I've been on that now for about probably like 3 weeks, at least 3 weeks. And that has definitely been about the time that I've been feeling stronger and continually feeling stronger. And I cut down the dose the last couple days because I'm running out and I'm waiting to get a refill. It's from a compound pharmacy, so it takes a few days, and I didn't realize how much it was helping me until like I cut it down, the dosage, and then went, okay, yeah, now I'm having some problems with my heart and other things. So I think that was really helping with stamina, fatigue, and the heart stuff. So that's ketotifen with a K, and yeah, that's really been helping me. And that's the first time that I've tried a antihistamine that helps with mast cell activation or deactivation, because my mast cells are activated. Yeah, so there's been a lot of information, a lot of different things going on. If you have any questions or comments, anything, please, if you've tried the Bob Beck protocol or any of the machines, I'm also getting the ozone water thingy. I guess you can use it. It's an ozone creator. I don't know how it works. I haven't done much research into that specific one yet. but they work all together, all three of the machines. And so you can put it in your water, you can use it for enemas, you can use it for, I think, like a nebulizer. I think you can do a bunch of things with it. So like I said, I haven't done too much research into that specific one. I was mostly researching the other two machines. Yeah, please let me know if you've tried any of these things, the machines or the DNSR, I believe it is, DVDs, and for the limbic system. Oh, one more thing. I also am waiting for the 23andMe testing to come back. So I just looked, and it's in the analyzing stage where they put the DNA into a genotype chip. And before that, I just looked, and they were separating the DNA from the cells, duplicate them. So technically, isn't that human cloning? Isn't that illegal? I just thought that was funny. But anyway, so I'm really excited to get the test results back, and they are going to tell me if I have the CBS gene, which I'm really looking forward to seeing if I have that or not. I've been doing really well off of the sulfur and sulfates, and so I'm thinking that might be something I have. I'm hoping no, but it might be. If it helps me to be off of it and I know for sure that that's the case, then that would be great. So again, another thing in the waiting game. So yeah, I'm just in the waiting room, but actively waiting, doing lots of stuff like in between, just keeping up with my protocols that I'm doing now for mostly detox, and yeah, doing all the things I do normally. Hope that all is well with everybody, and I send my love and prayers and hopes for well-being to all of you, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!